So, we are hiking now. Here is hiking with Helen. That's behind me. That's Helen's backpack. So anyways, we are hiking, and there's my backpack. Alright, we have been hiking for about 6 miles, and we have about 1 more left. So total, we probably hiked about 8 or 9 miles today.
9 or 10 more left.
9 or 10, just kidding. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Bye!